This week, it's surprise birthday dinners and honest truths about what sailing means to us, before Rach's dad joins the crew just as Rach has to leave.
Welcome back to All the Stars Sailing Adventures.
Join us, Rachel and Jess, on our Cavalier 37, All the Stars, as we live and learn about life on the water. Hit that subscribe button, guys. So Rachel's leaving the boat on Saturday morning. Unfortunately, she has to head back to studies and work back on the south coast. So it's her birthday a couple of weeks after she leaves, so I'm going to have a little celebration tomorrow night. I've just been to the seafood market because we've proven to be terrible fisher people, and I've ordered some lobster, mud crab and a few bits and pieces and prawns. And the plan is, if it doesn't rain, is to go to shore and have a really nice seafood dinner overlooking the water. So let's see, fingers crossed. In my hot little hands, I have a very nice looking seafood platter. Alright, there we have it. It's all set up. Time to tell Rach.
Just stop.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm so excited.
Yay. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Cheers.
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 Woohoo. Can't believe you're 25 already.
It's better than any restaurant anywhere in the world.
Lobster, mud crab, prawns.
View. Restaurant to ourselves.
So good.
No loud people.
What do you like sailing, Rach?
Do you actually want me to answer that?
Yes.
Why do I like sailing? Because I'm with you.
Yay! You'd rather be horse riding.
No. Why do I like sailing? I like that every day we seem to find somewhere new. Places that we just wouldn't find by car or by foot or anything, by plane. Like, we go to these remote little islands, and some islands there's no one there. We're the only two people there. And we've had very minimum crap weather. It's been sunshiny, amazing, swimmers every day. Sun, swimming, snorkeling, the coral.
What about our fights?
Oh, I love that we can't escape from each other on a boat. I love that about sailing. There is no storming off.
It's like a pressure cooker for a relationship.
You have to sort your shit out.
Yep.
Then and there. It's amazing. It is. Being on a boat together has been the best thing I think that we could have done for our relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Ever at all.
High five.
It's been freaking hard.
Yeah.
But it's
a lot of growth.
So much growth. It's a definite make or break, and it's kind of we've gotten through the stuff that we've gotten through, being apart for so long, and the massive compromises that we've both made, and having to sit in some serious discomfort together, and it's been amazing self-growth.
Yeah, I agree. Cool. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. Can I ask you what you love about sailing?
I love...
No, I'm going to point the camera at you.
Sailing.
So Jess, what do you like about sailing?
I like meeting cool, like-minded people, and I like pushing my own limits. becoming more familiar with the boat. Well, it's getting to a place under our own steam and navigation, not relying on a road to get us there. Yeah, it takes longer to get there, but it's more of a relief. Well, more of a reward.
I'd say relief.
Yeah, I'd say reward. Well, sorry to break the news, but Rach has left the boat. We both hate saying goodbyes. The good news is I only have to hang out on the boat solo for about 3 days, and then her dad's arriving. So you all get to meet Anthony. Anthony's been a long time friend of mine as well, so good to take him out for a sail and hang out on the boat. Here he comes. You made it, mate.
Made it.
Wow.
Let's go sailing.
How was your flight?
Long and boring, but uneventful.
Excellent. Well,
But I'm ready to go sailing.
magically all your stuff's already on board and we're ready to go.
Ah,
The wonders of
wonderful.
editing.
well done.
I'll tell you what, we're pretty hot to trot and beautiful sailing day today, so we are heading to Low Isles. Be a nice little short trip to ease into the sailing again, and hoping to get out to up to Cooktown over the next few days, maybe to Lizard Island eventually. Join us next week as Anthony and I set sail north on our way to the magic Lizard Island.